Today I'm going to show you step by step how to add a featured image to your WordPress post, quickly, confidently, and without any guesswork. By the end of this tutorial, your posts will not only look more professional on your homepage and blog, but they'll also stand out beautifully on social media and everywhere your content is shared. Ready to make those posts pop? Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the post you want to add a featured image to. Head over to your WordPress dashboard on the left and hover over Posts. You'll see All Posts as an option. Go ahead and click there. This brings up the list of all your blog posts. Find the one you want to update and click Edit right underneath the title. If you've got a lot of posts, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Simple, but it's the essential starting point. Now, once you're inside the editor, take a look on the right side of your screen. You should see a panel. This is called the Settings sidebar. Sometimes it likes to play hide and seek. So if it's not immediately visible, look for small gear or a little square with a sidebar in the top right corner of the page. Click on that icon and your settings panel should appear. If it still isn't popping up, don't worry, refresh the page and it should come back. This sidebar is where all the magic happens for post settings. Next, you'll want to double check that the Post tab is selected at the top of this sidebar panel. WordPress can be a little sneaky and might default to the Block tab, especially if you've been editing text or images in the main content area. Just make sure you're on Post. That's where all the global settings for your post live, including the featured image option. Alright, time to find the featured image section. Scroll down in the sidebar and you'll notice a section labeled, you guessed it, Featured Image. There will be a box that says Set Featured Image. Go ahead and click in that box. This is going to bring up your media library, a place where all your images, past and present, are stored. Now you have two choices. You can either upload a brand new image or select one you've already uploaded to your media library. If you have a new image, just drag and drop it into the Upload area or click the Upload Files tab and choose your file. If you've already got something you love in your library, simply click the Media Library tab and pick the image you want. A quick tip, your featured image should be eye-catching but also relevant to your post's content. Think of it like the cover of a book. It sets expectations for your reader. Here's a super important part that a lot of people miss, especially with 2026's emphasis on SEO and accessibility. Always fill in the alt text field in the right panel of the media library. This is where you describe what's in the image, something like a cozy reading nook with laptop and coffee. Your alt text not only helps visually impaired users understand what the image is, but it also signals to search engines what your post is about. It's a tiny detail, but trust me, it makes a big impact. Once you're happy with your choice, hit the blue Set Featured Image button tucked in the bottom right of the window. Give it a moment to process. Larger images might take a few seconds. You'll see your image appear in the Featured Image box, confirming it's saved. To finish up, don't forget to click Update or Publish at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. Without this, your new featured image won't actually be live on your post, so it's a vital final step. And that's it. You've just leveled up your post with a professional, eye-catching featured image. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I respond to every single one. And if you want more straightforward WordPress tips, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.